Hello again, everyone. We're going to take a look at a few key movers here, and we're going to give our analysis and thought process and hopefully guide you through the market on these few stocks that we're looking at. If you like the analysis and you like the videos and you want to keep seeing more, go ahead and visit us at www.stockmarketvideo.com and sign up for the risk-free trial today. All right, so let's look at this first chart. The first one we're going to look at is AGN. And the first thing I want to mention here is this downtrend line. You can see that it's really respecting this angle. There's a rejection, here's a couple of rejections, here's a lot of rejections, here's another rejection right there. And as you can see, we're picking up steam to the downside. You can see that today we had some heavier volume. Nothing too crazy, but definitely above the average volume, okay? So more than likely, the trend is going to continue down, and you want to look for support near about 234 from all of these lows right here. Next support, we've got a gap fill down here at about 217 right here. That's going to be the next level. Next level below that is going to be about 202 right here, that gap fill. On the upside, if we end up breaking over this downtrend line and hold over 250, that's going to be very bullish for AGN. So kind of want to look at these two levels here on AGN and just be aware of that if you're trading or investing in AGN. The next stock we're going to take a look at is ECA. And ECA, not that great of action today. We gapped down below this support, and I'm going to go ahead and just draw that for you right here. So here was that support right at about 930. You can see that there's a bounce, here's a couple bounces, and we gapped down below that and closed below it. So the next support is not until about $8 to about $7.30, okay, $7.30. So you can see it gets thick here with all these sideways trading candles right here. So that's going to be a level that you want to be aware of. So now looking back now, we can see why we consolidated lower here, and that's because we ran into some previous support, which is now resistance. You can see that that's where we got rejected right there. So it's always good to look ahead at these charts here. And overall on this chart, I do think that it has a nice bottoming look. Nice W bottom right here, and we need to bounce here at 730. If this 730 does not hold, then that's going to be a short here, okay? But 730, as of right now, looks like a very nice bounce zone because overall this chart looks pretty nice, okay? But as far as short term, definitely think that short term we're going to be heading lower to that $8 to 730 right there. Next one we're going to take a look at is ESIO. In ESIO, a couple things that we're going to point out here. We've got this uptrend line that started in 2015, about a year ago in July. And we've got a touch here, 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 almost there, right here, couple touches right here. So you can see that it's really respecting that downtrend line. And as you can see, look at where we gapped down here on this day. We gapped just below this trend line. So that was a signal right there. We gapped well below the trend line and then sank lower right there. So that could have saved you a bit of coin if you would have been aware of that trend line. Now moving forward, we've got resistance at $5.95, about $6, and then we've got this steep trend line right here holding us up. So more than likely it's going to be a break to the downside, okay? A clear of 6 and we can head higher. A break of this trend line and we're going to continue lower, probably going to retest these lows right here. But be aware, if we do break this $6 level, we're going to run into the retest of this downtrend line up here. So just be aware of these levels for ESIO, whether you're trading or investing it. thank you for watching the video, guys. Hopefully you're learning a thing or two. Keep watching the videos. If you'd like to check us out, visit stockmarketvideo.com and sign up for the risk-free trial and join us today.